Hi, I am Pratyush Jain and I am a part of 404 Enigma team.
Hello, I am Prakhar Agrawal and I am the team leader of 404 Enigma.
Hi, my name is Rahul Minshara and I am a part of 404 Enigma.
Hello, I am Sudhanshu Pandey from 404 Enigma.
So basically, we have created a software named Elexicor, and it is a platform whose motto is to provide the medical service contactlessly through digital. And here we have two admin portals, that is staff and patient. So if we log in through staff, we would be having the read and write access. But if we access through the patient, we only have the read access.
Okay, so we have provided sign in with Google 2.0 auth and we are logging in as a staff access. So this is the patient list under a specific doctor, under a specific staff, and here add a new patient.
So add a new patient comes under the doctors or the staff and nurses and all. This basically is all about machine learning algorithms. So basically we have implemented two major machine learning algorithms. The first algorithm basically helps or assists the doctors in predicting the medicines required. And the second algorithm basically helps in estimating the recovery rate for the patient, which basically tells us that how quickly a patient will get recovered. So these two were the basic machine learning algorithms which we have used here.
All right, so we'll back to the patients list page. And if we click on one of the details of a patient.
So here we have the electronic medical records page, which basically Elexicor keeps a record of all the diseases the patient has suffered from in his or her lifetime. It also helps the doctor during consultancy to have a better idea of the patient's disease he or she is suffering from by looking at the previous records, which are basically known as electronic medical records, and it can be accessed by the patients too, which helps them to consult with any other doctor if they want.
All right, so this is the treatment page. Next is, and this is the treatment of a current disease they are having.
So here we have two pages, that is treatment and the to-do page. So it basically to keep the medical domain contactless, Elexicor has a feature of the synchronical status of a process, which basically helps the medical staff and even the patient's family to stay updated with the tasks which are to be carried for the treatment of a patient that are going on, that are already completed or left to be completed. And at last, we have the updated bill feature, which basically tells the patient the updated bill at end of the day. And this is just a prototype in Elexicor.
All right, next is the profile page of a particular patient here. So this overall sums up the staff access and we'll log out here. Now, if we go to the patient access, so they can track their status provided by the admin portal, which is staff. So if we log in through patient access, so they can see electronic medical records here and treatment as well of the current disease. And so basically the main idea is staff access can update the overall flow and patient access can gain live tracks of live tracking things here. So this is the EMR and treatment of the page. So this overall sums up the patient access and here Elexicor software also. Thank you.